In this video, I will be installing this pigtail onto the battery of the Can-Am so I can put it on a trickle charger while it's in storage or not being ridden. Now, to get access to the battery, this trunk, the insert, needs to be removed out of here. So we have 4 clips that we need to remove on each corner of the trunk insert. I don't have any special tools for this, so I'm just going to use a screwdriver, slide that pin up, and then it should come right out. All right, so pop this top cover off. So that just pops off. It's got 2 pieces that go into those rubber grommets. So now we should be able to pull this right out to gain access to the battery. This is the battery down inside here. I want that pigtail that I'm going to install on this battery to be easily accessed. So, don't know where I'm going to run it. Way too many covers on this this bike. Maybe I can run it out this way. Now, I don't know if this is going to be long enough to do what I want with it. Thinking we're going to run it through the side here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I ran it through this side piece here. So I'm running it right through here where the hose is. The radiator hose. It's going through there, through the frame, and then it's going to end up, I'm going to zip tie it right here. So it's out of the way, but yet accessible. So when I need it, it's there. So I'm going to disconnect the negative first. It's a 10mm screw. And then disconnect the positive. Now these pigtails are pretty self-explanatory. You got black tip is your negative, red tip is your positive. So we're just going to basically put this right on top of the terminal and put the bolt back in. It's kind of a weird rubber boot that really isn't doing anything. I don't even know why they put this on here. Now, the negative is going to go on the negative terminal. I'll zip tie it right there. I'm gonna put one more tie right here on this backside just to make sure it's good and it doesn't hit the spring. And last but not least, we'll zip tie it on the inside here, right up to this wire here. Make sure there's plenty of clearance. And there we go. Battery tender harness is installed. Negative to negative, positive to positive. Runs through the side, zip tied there. And there it is. So now I can just grab it, plug into it. If I need to use my air compressor, plug right into that. I'm good. The only thing that's left to do is put the trunk insert back on. Get that in there. Put your plastic clips back in. And I'm going to put this piece back in. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Tutorial. Well, you know what I mean. Hope it's helpful. Hope you learned something. If you like it, like, share, subscribe. That's all I got. You all, God bless. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Ride safe. Bye-bye.